So this is the 1971 Triumph Spitfire that I'm doing a little bit of work on. A little bit of work at a time. I'm not really focused on getting this one on the road just yet. There's a lot of issues with it. Obviously, got this headlight bezel, I guess they call it. Anyway, I've got the replacement for that. I'll put that on as soon as I get a chance. But I'm not in a hurry to do that because I've got a lot of body work to do on this. Get this all straightened out, get the rust removed, and get that. Put some body filler in there, get it straightened out. It's in pretty rough shape. The glass is out of it right now, so that'll need to go back in. This gearbox cover is, I tried to save it, but it's pretty much shot. I think I'm going to have to replace that. So some of the other things that I've noticed, the floorboards are really rusty. I think this side I might be able to save, but the other side I'm going to show you in a minute. Why in the world anybody would hack up the dash like this, I don't know. But I've got to cut a template and weld back in some of the pieces that they cut out so that, it's a little more stable, hopefully. So that's a couple of issues I have to do, or I have to take care of. Getting a little tongue-tied here. Let's see, what else? If we walk around, it's in pretty good shape. I've seen worse. The back end of it's all straight. There's no real damage there. There's one little spot here on the bumper. I might be able to press that out, I'm not sure. But we'll see how that happens. Right here, I worked on it a little bit. There was a deep gouge there. I don't know how that could have happened. But anyway, I keep pushing it back up. And I don't have a tool to actually pull that dent out of there, so I'm going slow on that until I get that worked out. But I will get it. It's hard to see on the camera, but it was quite a severe dip. I guess it's not so bad now. I've got most of it out without body filter. So here's the real issue with what's slowing me down. This, I don't know if you can see it. That's the floor pan, pardon me. And I don't know if you can see how badly rusted through that is. That's all got to be cut out and replaced. And what do they call that front piece? Is that the toe pan or toe panel? All right. That one's not so bad. I think I can save that. But this definitely is one of the main issues. I've got the door off right now so I can get in and take the cutter and zip that out of there. But it's been so hot here in Las Vegas, I've not really pursued working on this. Whenever I picked this up, I was quite pleased to see that it has the gas tank in it. I don't know what kind of shape it's in, but I'm going to find out, I guess, sooner than later. And hang on for a second. Okay, so I opened the bonnet. Here's another real big surprise. You guys are going to love this. Yeah. No engine. The engine was given to me in a series of milk crates. And it's already been disassembled. So I have no idea what kind of shape it's in, what needs to be done. It's just a big project to put that back together. So I don't have an engine, and there is no transmission. You probably picked up on that when I showed you the earlier video. But hey, there's hope. Time and money fixes everything.